It's September 1st, 2017, and here I am in San Carlos, Mexico, finding myself in the middle of a tropical storm. Tropical storm Lydia, which already took the lives of 4 people in Cabo San Lucas, is approaching. Waves are already coming up to the restraining wall, and it's only 12:13 p.m. here in San Carlos, with the worst of the storm yet to strike as it moves its way up the Baja Peninsula. We're expecting to see the worst of the storm between 5 p.m. and 10 p.m. tonight, with waves reaching up to 20 feet in height and winds possibly reaching 70 miles per hour. So we just have to wait and hope that we'll have electricity later today and a way to communicate with the people that we care about as the storm moves through the area.